Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of USD CAD, US dollar, Canadian dollar. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my channel for the analysis of other pairs. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of USD CAD in front of us right now. US dollar, Canadian dollar. And as you can see, the market is in uptrend. Yes, there was some selling pressure on the chart of US dollar, Canadian dollar here. But overall, we can easily see that this market is an uptrend and there is no doubt about it. And following the thumb rule of the market, which says that follow the trend. So if we follow the trend of the market, then we should mainly look for buying opportunities. And as you can clearly see here that this market is an uptrend, therefore my dear friends, we should only look for buying opportunities here. So the trend is clear to us. Okay, there is no doubt about the trend of the market. So the second important point that we need to focus is area of value. Area of value means the best trading opportunity. As I've clearly spoken in my hundreds and hundreds of videos, that area of opportunity is area of value or the best trading opportunity is extremely important, and we should always try to find out before executing any order. In an uptrend market, the area of value will always be near the support, and in a downtrend market, the area of value or the best shorting opportunity is always near the resistance. And this market is undoubtedly in uptrend right now. Therefore, we should only look for buying opportunities near the support. And as you can see here, I have drawn a trend line here, and if you do not have this trend line in your charting platform, then my dear friend, I'll request you to draw this trend line so that you can understand the market better. Okay, so here you can see that this trend line is acting as a dynamic support to the market, because whenever price is coming down, it is trying to provide support to the market. I'm not saying that this is an extreme level of support, very crucial support, okay, not a big one, but still this trend line is acting as a support to the market, and somewhat it is successful also. Okay, so in case there is a sharp fall in the market, until and unless, we can hope that market will be respecting this trend line as a support for the market. Okay, but okay, so this is the dynamic support for the market. And on the other hand, you can see that I have also got a trend line here, sorry, a line here drawn on the chart, 1.2610. If you have watched my previous video on USD then you can recognize this line, because this line is an extremely important level from the weekly chart, because weekly chart belongs to the big boys, the institutional traders. So the support and resistance level for the weekly chart are extremely important. So this is the weekly chart of USD, and you can see that when market was bullish in the month of June, the market was going up. June, July, market was bullish. But here market tried to go up, but market failed. The price failed to sustain, and as a result, price came down. There was heavy selling pressure from above. The price could not go up, and market formed a shooting star kind of a pattern, which clearly signifies that this level 1.2610 is a strong resistance for the market. Therefore, in the chart of USD CAD, we have one strong resistance, and we also have a somewhat somewhat support for the market. So as we all know, the basic rule of the market says buy at support, sell at resistance, and right now you can see that market is coming down. So your duty is to observe the market or observe the price when it reaches this level. So wait for some time and just observe the price. If you see market taking support, if you see market taking support at the trend line and bouncing, then you can go for buy. Just keep in mind that confirmation is extremely important, and you'll get the confirmation in the form of a hammer price rejection from below or a green candle like this. Once you get the confirmation that yes, market is respecting this trend line as a valid support, you can go for buy here. On the other hand, if market goes up from here and reaches this level, then as a trader, again your duty is to observe the market at this resistance. Looking at the previous price rejection, there is a good possibility that market will be reversing from this level. So in case market reverses from 1.2610 level, you can obviously short the market. But keep in mind that today we have the NFP. Today being the first Friday of this month, so NFP is a very important driving event for the market. So if we go to the economic calendar here, okay, and if you do not know about the NFP, then let me say that NFP is extremely renowned for payrolls. It drives the US dollar. So just go to my website avilashhazarika.com. Under Forex 101 section, you will find many things like Forex sentiment meter, which tells that what the retail traders are doing or thinking. Here you can see that 40% retail traders have taken short position on USD CAD, whereas 59% retail traders have taken long position. Apart from that, you will also get a Forex heat map, positions as calculator, Forex volatility calculator, which is very important to understand how much profit you can expect. For example, right now you can see that this is the USD CAD chart. So if you in the 15 minutes you can expect a profit of 2.9 pips. In the 30 minutes chart you can expect a movement of 4 pips, and in the 1 hour chart you can only expect a movement of 5.8 pips. In the 4 hours chart you can only expect a movement of 20 pips. So this calculator is handy, and most important is this economic calendar. And my dear friend, make it a habit to look at the economic calendar each and every day in the morning, so that you do not miss any important event of the market. So here you can see that there is an expectation is previous data was 850,000 jobs. There is a forecast of 870,000 jobs. Okay, in case market fails to meet this level, then US dollar will fall, and in case there is a fall in US dollar, just keep in mind USD CAD will also fall. In case the data is good, the report comes out good, then USD will go up and USD CAD will also go up. So the report will be coming out after 7 hours 45 minutes. So my dear friends, be extremely careful and keep your eyes on the NFP report after 7 hours, and keep your eyes on the economic calendar so that you do not miss the NFP report. Just keep in mind, if the report is good and dollar starts going up, USD CAD will also going up. If dollar starts going down, USD CAD will also be going down. Clear? So this is it. Hopefully you understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See you tomorrow.